What's up, guys? It's me, Pit Crafters here. And today, we're not doing a Pit Crafters video, but I'm going to be doing one tomorrow, so make sure you guys watch that video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the upcoming new winter storm, or snowstorm. So, I'm just going to put... Alright. I'm going to go on the trusty one, the tropical tidbits. And without all that, I have to go to my forecast models. And here we have it. Now, you may not see anything right here in Texas as of right now, maybe just a couple rain or something. And then when I click the play button, when I go right, no, it's not that one. Right there, this is a huge, huge one. That is going to affect Texas a lot. And then it starts to move like north, and then I'm gonna get it. Yay! Another winter storm. That's gonna be exciting. And then it starts to move up into the New England area. And then I still only get ice from it. I'm expecting really good temperatures off this storm. And then, after when it hits New England, it starts to really just go up into Canada. And it was right here, now lifting off. Now also, there has been this disturbance in the Pacific Ocean, which I'm going to be showing you guys on the Cyclocane app. As you can see, there is a disturbance that might form, but it's been there for about a week or something. I don't know, because it's been there for a while, so it could form. It's a medium chance of it happening. Okay, now did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!